So before the year ends, I would like to reiterate yung mga videos natin in the past na kung saan nag-present ako the most popular and most familiar banks that give and offer the most unique and remarkable credit cards. So today, this is a compilation of the videos I have uploaded for the year 2025. And I'm pretty sure that if you will be able to listen and tune in to this video, lalong-lalo na sa mga newbies or dun sa mga kahit hindi naman newbies, kung may plano ulit kayo na mag-apply for another credit card this 2026, magandang baunin ang video na to. I hope you will enjoy the video. So please, tune in. Bakit naman hindi natin bibigyan ng pansin ang Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO? Sa kulay pa lang, Christmas na. First of all, I'd like to show you the physical look of this credit card para ma-appreciate naman ninyo. Alright, let us start with the Shopmore Mastercard in purple color. Second, we have the Shopmore Mastercard in orange color. There you go. And the third, the Shopmore Mastercard in yellow color. O diba? Ano sa tingin nyo? Diba, sa kulay pa lang, Paskong Pasko na. But of course, we do not settle for less because I wanna know kung ano ang benefit ng Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO. Alright, so let us start with this question. Bakit nyo naman pipiliin ang Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO? Unang-una is free annual fee or no annual fee for the first year. While from the 13th month onwards, magbabayad ka na ng 150 a month. So, even if merong annual fee ang Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO, magaan lang siya because you are charged every month with 150 pesos. So, hindi siya one-time, big-time deduction, kundi installment siya. So, 1,800 a year. Siguro ang comment natin ay may annual fee naman pala. Pero alam nyo ba na pwede naman nating ipa-waive ang mga annual fees ng ating mga credit cards if we have a good record or a good standing with the bank or the credit card provider. Ang Shopmore Mastercard may pa-welcome. Kaya nga sa unang purchase mo, regardless of the amount, uulitin ko ha, regardless of the amount, meron kang marireceive na 250 peso points. So, ibig sabihin, 250 pesos yung welcome reward mo from Shopmore Mastercard. O diba, isn't that great? Unang purchase mo pa lang, regardless of the amount, ibig sabihin kahit 500 pesos lang or 250 pesos, ang makukuha mo is 250 peso points. Amazing! Another thing so good about this Shopmore Mastercard is that pasok siya sa mga iba't ibang programa ng BDO, katulad ng Buy Now, Pay Later. Nag-purchase ka today or this month, babayaran mo 3 months after. Wow, napaka-gaan talaga because parang magpo-purchase ka ngayon, pero alam mo na yung SOA mo or yung bill mo dadating sa'yo 3 months after. Importante ding mamili ng tamang bangko kung saan magbibigay ng tamang credit card para sa atin. Metrobank is one of a kind. We can prove that Metrobank is also unique and different from other banks. I believe that whatever that had mentioned last year in this interview, it stands the test of time. Sasagutin natin ang query ng ating subscriber na nagpadala ng kanyang question sa ating Facebook Messenger. At ang tanong niya, ang bangko po na napupusuhan ko is si Metrobank dahil po nandyan ang aking savings account. Okay po ba si Metrobank na maging source ng aking credit card? Sana po ay masagot. Alright, so this is a query from Eileen at pinadala niya yung kanyang question sa Facebook Messenger natin. Alright, so Metrobank is one of a kind. It is a bank na talaga namang I look up to Because, sige, tignan natin kung ano ang meron kay Metrobank. Silipin natin kung ano ang pwedeng ipagmalaki ni Metrobank at kung saan tayo pwedeng ma-impress. Okay, pag-aaralan natin ng konti ang history ng Metrobank. Metrobank was founded in 1962 and the first branch opened in Plaza Calderon located in Binondo, Manila. According to my research, President Macapagal was present to cut the ribbon which officially opened the first branch. Alright, so susuriin naman natin what makes Metrobank unique or different from other banks.
Metrobank is confident that the strong foundation and stability will help it handle challenging times. By the end of 2024, it had some of the highest capital ratios in the industry, with a total capital adequacy ratio, CAR, of 7.7% and a Common Equity Tier 1, CET ratio of 16.8%.
Ngayon, susuriin naman natin ano ang ma-offer nilang credit cards. Alright, so today I'm going to present to you or give to you the credit cards of Metrobank according to category. They have rewards and rebates. They also have credit cards for dining. And of course, they have credit cards for travel. And eto ang pinaka-exciting sa lahat na alam ko ang mga newbie magugustuhan nila. No annual fee credit cards. To prove the stability of Metrobank, balikan natin ang interview ni ANC with the Executive Vice President of Metrobank.
For Metrobank, the most important thing is to keep our depositors' money safe. And because as our late group chair once said, Dr. George SKT, banking is a business of trust. So first and foremost, more than profitability, more than any other consideration, we would like to strengthen our balance sheet and keep ourselves strong because we know that we are the custodian of our customers' trusts. So that's why we've embarked on this strategy of remaining strong despite all the headwinds that could come our way.
And that strength is particularly shown in the balance sheet performance, right?
Yes.
You have, I think, you have ability to scale, balance sheet growth, risk
Yes.
profile, profitability, asset quality,
Yes.
and liquidity.
Yes.
Yeah.
So with this backdrop, we would like to keep our capital ratios high. We would like to keep our loans provisioning high. But at the same time, we would like to balance this out with profitability to our shareholders and our stakeholders to be able to give a good mix of strength and performance.
So as it was mentioned by the Vice President, we're going to give a good mix of strength and performance. Ang ganda ng sinabi niya ha, resiliency as an economist and as a Filipino that withstands all the headwinds, all the challenges, that will really show and produce a silver lining. They remain strong despite of all the waves and the challenges that come along. And sabi ng interviewer, it shows in the balance sheet. Whatever that had mentioned last year in this interview, it stands the test of time. Napaka-inspiring naman and encouraging, and it shows hope sa mga clients ng Metrobank. That what makes Metrobank solid and unique. Kaya ngayon, aalamin natin what promos or discounts we can get by using our Metrobank credit card. I believe that if a credit card company is not stable, hindi makakapagbigay ng promos and discounts. But as you can see, still Metrobank is stopping when it comes to promos and discounts. So, tignan natin ano to. Meron tayong natanggap na credit card from Union Bank at ito ngayon ang ating itatackle. first of all, bubuksan natin ang envelope na to or ang parcel na to at titignan natin kung anong klaseng credit card ang nabigay sa akin. Alright, so ang courier nito is Ninja Van. Ninja Van. Okay, so this is the parcel. So bubuksan na natin at titignan natin kung anong klaseng credit card ang pinadala sa akin ni Union Bank. Although, meron naman na ako talagang pinili na credit card na gusto ko. Pero sometimes kasi kung ano yung in-applyan mo, kung minsan hindi yun yung binibigyan ni ni Union Bank. Pero kung ano yung pinili ko, dapat yun talaga yung nandito. Okay, so this is how the envelope looks like. I am very excited and let's see kung ano ang nandito sa envelope. Alright, so this is yung fine prints na tinatawag. Okay, dito sa fine prints, dito natin mababasa kung ano yung mga instructions, benefits, and kung ano yung mga pwede nating i-avail, paano natin i-activate ang credit card. Nandito lahat yung mga yun. Yung mga basic information that we need to learn from our credit card, nandito na. Okay, sabi, use your new card and get up to 100,000 cash credits plus get a free Krispy Kreme treat. Okay, so pwede natin i-avail yung Krispy Kreme treat. Ano kaya yun? 1 piece or 1 box? Tingnan na lang natin. And now, eto na. Dito nakalagay yung ating credit card. Wow! This is the credit card from the Union Bank. Yan. Ang ganda naman. Nakikita nyo ba? Oh, it's glowing in the dark. Okay, silver yan, pero may ilaw-ilaw na ganyan. Okay, so this is the Union Bank U credit card. With no worries, you experience more. Ayun ang nakalagay sa fine print ng credit card. Alright, and then sa likod nito, if we lift this up, ganon, yun. Siyempre, hindi ko napapakita yon kasi dito nakasulat naman yung credit limit, which is amounting to, and cash advance limit amounting to, statement date, 20th of every month. So, nakalagay lahat dito yung kailangan nating malaman. Especially, the statement date. Anong ibig sabihin ng statement date? Yung statement date, yan yung cut-off at yan yung date kung saan ipapadala ni bangko yung statement of account mo. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga purchases mo after the statement date, hindi na siya mahahalo dito sa babayaran mo this month, kundi mako-consider na siya sa susunod na statement of account or sa susunod mong SOA, apparently the following month. Kaya, yon ang importante nating malaman. Kasi marami nagtatanong sa akin, tinatanong, Ma'am, natanggap ko na po yung SOA ko, pero nagamit ko po yung credit card yesterday. Masasali po ba yon? Kasi medyo malaki yung nagamit ko from my credit limit. So, tandaan natin na kapag 20th of every month, halimbawa, eto, nakalagay 20th of every month, yung release o yung statement date, ibig sabihin, from that date onwards, kung ano man yung i-purchase natin, hindi na siya kasali sa babayaran natin kasi nga, na-release na yung SOA. So, yung mga purchases mo after the statement date, masasali na siya sa susunod mong SOA, apparently, the following month. Okay? Ito kasi, napaka-colorful kasi orange and red ang representation ng logo ng MasterCard. That's why, kapag yung credit card and MasterCard, tuwang-tuwa naman ako. And I'm glad na binigyan ako ni Union Bank ng MasterCard. Ito yung credit card na walang annual fee na hindi na kailangan i-meet mo yung requirement like you have to spend 10,000 or 20,000 within 60 days in order for you to avail the no annual fee for life o kaya naman nagbibigay ng no annual fee for the first year lang. Pero etong credit card na to, no annual fee for life for both the principal and the supplementary card. So yun ang pinaka-exciting. What else? Okay, ano pa ba ang meron sa credit card na to? Eto, I would like to give an emphasis. Don't you know that paying your credit card bills on time or ahead of time is really rewarding. Especially dito sa Union Bank U credit card. Kasi if you pay earlier than the given due date, you will receive a 10% interest back or simply receive 10% rebate from your total cash and interest retail. So this will reflect on your next billing period. Oh my God! Grabe! I was really surprised. Yes! Kasi ito pala yung credit card na no late payment fee and no over-limit fees to pay. Ayun yung maganda. Kasi kumbaga, hindi ka mag-worry, ay, na-over-limit ako, ay, na-late yung payment ko. So, hindi ka mag-worry kasi wala kang late payment fee to pay and over-limit fee to pay. Alright? So, yun yung maganda. But of course, kapag hindi mo naman talaga nabayaran yung credit card bills mo, mag-o-occur naman ng interest. Kaya lang, ang point dito is, in case na na-late ka nga, diba? And then meron na napatong na interest dun sa bill mo na hindi mo nabayaran, at least wala nang mapapatong na late payment fee. O kaya kapag na-overlimit ka naman, wala nang mapapatong na overlimit fee. So, you get my point? So, yun yung mga magaganda naman na binibigay na opportunity ng ating mga credit cards na ma-experience yung hindi masyadong malaki na interest, yung mga hindi masyadong grabing fees na ipapatong sa mga bills natin every month. Kaya, oh my goodness, I'm really excited. Diba? There you go, we have done with our content for today. Sana may takeaways kayo dito sa video na to. And I believe na you agreed with me when I mentioned that the 3 banks are the most popular, familiar, and they too offer the most remarkable and unique credit cards. So, good luck sa inyong lahat for the year 2026. And I will not just say good luck, but then God bless you all. Remember always na kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Happy New Year, everyone!